Poor lad. Now, Newell was fortunate to direct Goblet of Fire, as it's one of the more remarkable novels in the series. It marks a significant change for Harry and his friends.
He's an electus. He's a female electus. He's okay. Just got your tag. Just relax.
This time, the script
Just got your tag.
more on Harry's personal battles. And for the first time, he realises that adults, even his hero Dumbledore, can be fallible.
It's okay, Perry, mate.
Quite simply,
He's just after your
sophisticated film successfully melds high
tag.
adventure, drama,
So it's okay. He's just standing there. She is just standing there.
and staggering production
I'll
design.
leave
I
the top
adored it.
alone. Go Saints.
Go
Saints.
The usual issues that I have with these sorts of
Go
screen
Saints.
adaptation franchise movies, which is I don't think they're very well written for the screen.
There's off you
You
now.
have to have read
Yeah.
the previous movies in order to kind of
Say,
follow
go
what's going on.
Saints.
There's no character development.
Big bird, yeah, Dad.
So you don't think
Yeah,
it's
Dad.
set in stone?
No, I don't.
You can come and say hello.
Lord of the Rings is another one.
No, don't want me too, Dad.
This is where I'm happy
You going
to
Perry
disagree
again?
most of the ways, because I think it does sound on its own. I think that this is a really edgy film. It's
Yeah,
the
you
edgiest
love
of the
Perry.
Likes your
franchise,
St.
and it's more
Kilda
sinister,
top.
and I love that.
That's what it is.
Oh, she likes
I also
Perry.
think that we live in a world where we
And
can
you like
consume media in a vastly different way. We don't just have to watch the film, we can read the internet.
Who
and
did,
read
Dodo?
the books as
Yep.
well, and it helps
I
if
too.
you've read the books for sure, but I don't think that...
Do, Dodo. No dot it. No dot it.
Right, tell me when.
I do,
Can I have my necklace back?
Dip me hit door, Dad. Dip me hit door. Dip me hit door. Dip me hit door.
Oh, the dad.
Are you getting tired, darling? Don't you want to put her in a cage because she's getting tired?
Dad, hit me, Dad. I brought it back.
You can put her back.
Yeah, no. Don't do me.
I'll record you doing it. Just do it gently. Just do it gently.
What? We did it here.
So it's quite scary.
I enjoyed it enough this time. 3 stars.
Yeah, that's it.
Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire opens nationally
What?
tonight.
Well, easier to put her in. Huh?
Dad, abba huvudet åt er.
On you get. On you get.
Ja, det där. Det är weird. Du hämtar Dada.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Det är inte bara upp med.
Yeah, I know.
Ja, det.
Wait, Perry. Hang on, mate.
Ja, det.
Come on.
Cass will help.
Can't decide what to say.
Ja, det. Det med hit door.
Movie title to 1
That's it, bro.
922
Hey, Dada.
and
Put her back.
pops up in seconds. And each time you use the service,
There
you
you go.
enter our monthly draw
Good
for
girl.
an exclusive movie show T-shirt and
Girl.
1-999-2277.
Girl.
Coming up on SBS tonight.
Oh, Dad. Det bara Dad. Det är bara Dad. Det bara. Bye. How about that? Det bara.
When
Say
Arthur
bye,
receives
Kaz.
a childhood relic
Bye.
to his occupant.